The desire to share with others, especially those who need our help, is one of those rare sparks that make us human. And the illuminating idea of sharing our light by paying it forward isn't just limited to those with extreme wealth. In fact, the majority of households make it a point to practice charitable giving, spreading their generosity to an average of 7 different charities each year. Since there are literally millions of charitable causes, there are numerous ways to connect your giving with your interests. And although the act of giving should be simple and sincere, in reality, it can be confusing and costly. Supporting multiple charities can mean writing multiple checks. Or maybe you have valuable assets that aren't in a bank. How do you easily convert those to charitable use? Then there are taxes. Some taxes can be avoided when you make a gift to organizations that mean the most to you. The great work of charities means less reliance on government. Luckily, there's a way to help simplify your charitable giving. It's called a donor-advised fund, or DAF for short. With a DAF, you have what is essentially an account for your charitable giving. You can contribute to it as often as you like and gain an immediate tax deduction. Your contributions are invested and grow tax-free. And you can recommend grants from your fund to your favorite charity at the times you choose. Donor-advised funds let you support multiple charities. And you can continue to work with your own trusted financial advisor. There's no easier way to build a legacy of giving to the causes that are important to you and your family. You can even set up a fund that lets you give anonymously. Best of all, you can give in ways that work best for you and ignite the most good for your favorite causes. Donor-advised funds not only help provide income tax deductions for cash contributions, they can also eliminate most capital gains taxes on transferred securities, as well as let you claim fair market value tax deductions for real estate and other assets you wish to put to good use for charitable purposes. Almost anything of value at your disposal can be transformed into something good and lasting. To find out more about how a donor-advised fund can leverage your financial assets to spark something good, contact Renaissance Charitable Foundation.